Hello, my name is Zeynah Refaaz. I'm from Year 3 Caterpillars. Today I'm going to talk about shadows. What is a shadow? A shadow is formed when an object blocks the light. The object blocks the light source. This is a shadow. In the picture below, there are two pictures. The first picture says there's a light source and there's a shape and there's a white card screen. And in the other picture, there's properties of light. Shadow formation. The straight rays of light passing the edges of non-transparent, opaque body leave a sharp shadow of that body in the way of light. Why can't air and water produce shadows? Because water and air is transparent and it creates refraction. So in the picture below there is a picture of water and air. What happens to a shadow when the light is moved away from the object? The object becomes smaller. So in the picture below it says a point source and there's an object and there's a sharp shadow. And there's a light source and there's an object and a fuzzy shadow. It's a smaller shadow. In the other picture, there's a lighted candle, a hole, a opaque object, and a cardboard. And there's a object, shadow or umbra, and a screen. What happens to a shadow when the light is moved closer to the object? The shadow becomes bigger. How does light form shadows? It says in the picture below. There's a light source and there's a object and there's a screen. Light rays travel in straight lines, radiating out from the light source. If rays are blocked by an opaque object, a shadow forms where light cannot reach. If the light source is moved closer to the object, more light is blocked and a larger shadow is formed. The light is near. If the source is moved closer to the object, the shadow gets bigger. So the shadow is big. What happens to the shadow when the light is just moved over the object? The shadow becomes its smallest size. In the picture below, there's a ball and the shadow is very small. In the second picture, there is a light source on top of a human. There's a short shadow source of light is nearly overhead. In the picture, there's another human and the light source is up but sideways. Long shadow source of light is at large angle, different shadows. Thank you for watching my slideshow.